Empanadas. A side dish from Chile. Serves 4. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Combine the flours and salt. Step 2. Heat the milk and oil and pour them over the flour mixture to make dough. Step 3. Roll out the dough and let it raise for 10 minutes. Step 4. Pull out the dough and cut into discs, about 10 centimeters in diameter. Step 5. Fry the dough in olive oil for 20 minutes. Step 6. Put the mixed ingredients for the filling into the dough and fold it in half, covering the filling. Make sure there are eggs, black olives and dry ingredients in each pouch. Step 7. Glue each pouch with milk. Step 8. Put the empanadas in the oven for 30 minutes at 300 degrees Celsius. Step 9. Serve hot and enjoy. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.